Hello guys, welcome to Slay Ebiwa Beauty Home. Guys, if it's your first time coming across my page, don't hesitate by hitting the follow button, share, like, and comment, guys. Yes, I actually see this wig with Kora Obidi, guys. I fell in love with it, although it's not my first time of using wig, but this particular hairstyle, I so much fall in love with it. The Kora Obidi, the dancing singing princess all the way from the motherland. Yes, guys, we are going to be installing it, guys. I actually use a different glue. You can see I was displaying my Got2b that I've been using so far, but this one, guys, this any guys, is all the way from Nigeria. I bought it from Nigeria, guys. It was really giving. It glued so easily. Right as I'm talking now, I am still putting on the wig, guys. Nothing shake. If it got to be by now, maybe the heat and every other thing, you know, although it's easy to remove, but this one is kind of going to be difficult to remove. So as you can see at the back of my hair, guys, I actually shave it out because the hair there doesn't grow, so there's no point of leaving the hair there. So I shave it out to make it easy for me to install wig like this. So guys, I installed the wig. You can see the wig, and I'm also going to upload the makeup I did with this wig, guys. It was so giving. It was so giving. One thing about that glue, it glues so instantly. You don't need to waste time. It glue instantly, and it glues very well. And the metal spray also, it did magic. It did magic. If you have not tried it, guys, go and try it. This is a special video for all my special lovers and as hairstylists also. I've tried it, guys. It's giving. You can try it. It will never disappoint you. That glue will never disappoint you, although it's quite expensive, but it works like magic, guys. Yes, this is when I lay it down to make sure it's properly flat. After some minutes, guys, I took it off, and that was the matte spray I added. So guys, after a while, I trim it out. Thank God my brother was around, so he helped me to put the back in order, because my brother also is a stylist. Despite he's not working with it, but he knows how to do things like this, so he helped me to trim out the back. But the front, I did it myself, guys. So you can see I trim it gently because I don't want something that will hurt me. One thing about this wig, guys, it was really affordable. I have other wigs I've been using, but I decided to buy a new one just to leave it for this particular hairstyle, guys. Yes, I really enjoy the tutorial, guys. I won't lie to you. So if you find this video useful, do not hesitate to leave your comments. As I've said before, follow me, and I also have a YouTube channel which name is Slay Ebiwa. Also, all my channel is Slay Ebiwa. Give me follow and leave your comments. Let me know where you're watching from. Thank you, guys. I love you all from Slay Ebiwa Beauty Home. Bye bye. Hello guys, so what I was actually saying here, I was saying, wow, it's giving. I was impressed because I was not too sure about it, but guys, this spray and the glue is mind-blowing. It's mind-blowing, guys. It gives the wig a natural look. It made it properly. I was so impressed, guys. I won't lie to you. I never expected it to come so well. And one thing about it is not like Got2b. Got2b takes time to glue properly, but this one glue immediately.